In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Amazon gift card, specifically how to redeem an e-gift card. This process is simple and straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to apply your gift card balance to your Amazon account and use it for your future purchases. Let's get started. First, head over to Amazon.com. You'll want to ensure you're on the main page where you can access your account details. Now, if you're not logged in already, locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the web page and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you use the email connected to your Amazon account today. Once you've typed it in, click continue. Next, you will need to enter your password. Carefully type it in and then click on the sign in button. This will take you to your account dashboard where you'll have access to all the account features. On your dashboard, navigate to Account and Lists. You'll find this option displayed at the top of the page. Hover over it and a drop down will appear. Click on Account from that list to proceed. In your account settings, look for the gift cards option. It's usually under the payments section. Click on gift cards and this will direct you to your gift card balance page. Here you will see an option to redeem a gift card. Click on it to continue. Now take out your Amazon e-gift card. You should have a gift card code, which is a series of letters and numbers. Carefully enter this code into the designated box on the page. Double check for accuracy, ensuring there are no typos, and then select the Apply to Balance button. Once your code is successfully applied, the gift card amount will be added to your Amazon balance. You can confirm this by checking your updated balance, which should now reflect the additional funds. Now you're ready to go shopping. Return to the Amazon homepage by clicking on the Amazon logo. Browse through the store and select an item that you'd like to purchase. Once you've found something, click Add to Cart. You can continue shopping if you desire, but when you're ready to purchase, click on Proceed to Checkout. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase. During this process, your available gift card balance will automatically apply to your total cost at checkout. If your purchase exceeds your gift card balance, don't worry. Amazon allows you to cover the remaining balance with a credit card, debit card, or other payment methods. And just like that, you've successfully redeemed and used an Amazon e-gift card. The process is quick and efficient, helping you enjoy a seamless shopping experience. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.